In this example, we're asked to simplify the fractions shown. So first, we can simplify this by writing 7x to the power 4 minus 2x cubed plus 6x over all divided by x. So we can rewrite this in a form where each term from the numerator is divided by x. So now will give us 7x to the power 4 over x minus 2x cubed over x, and then we have plus 6x over x. So in this scenario, the x's when move up, they're all to the denominator x's, they're all to the power of 1, and when they move up they become minus 1. So you can think of it as 7x to the power of 4 minus 1 minus 2x to the power 3 minus 1 plus 6, and because it's x1 take away 1, so it becomes 0 minus 1. So in this scenario we can rewrite this as 7x to the power of 3 minus 2x to the power 2 plus 6, and this will be our answer for simplifying this expression. In this example, we need to simplify the expression shown, and we have multiple brackets in the numerator and the denominator. So first we will expand the brackets. So we will have x plus 7 in the first bracket and 2x plus 1 in the second bracket in the numerator, divided by the denominator, which is 2x minus 1. So here we have a scenario where the numerator and the denominator, we have 2x minus 1, so they can be cancelled with each other, and that will give us x plus 7 as the answer for this expression. In this example, we are asked to simplify the fractions. So we have x squared plus 7x plus 12 in the numerator, divided by x plus 3 in the denominator. So in this scenario we will try to complete the square for the numerator. So ideally find a term that can potentially eliminate the denominator. So in this scenario, when we complete the square, we can get x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 4 in the numerator, divided by x plus 3 in the denominator, and these two can be cancelled, and we will end up with x plus 4 as the answer for this expression. In this example, we need to simplify the expression shown. So we have x squared plus 6x plus 5 divided by x squared plus 3x minus 10. So ideally we would attempt to complete the square to simplify the numerator and denominator into terms that can potentially eliminate parts of the expression. So in this scenario we can complete the square for the numerator. That will give us x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 1, and for the denominator we can also use x plus 5 over x plus 2, and in this scenario we can eliminate x plus 5 from the numerator and the denominator, and so that will give us x plus 1 over x plus 2, and this will be our answer for the simplification of this expression. In this example, we are asked to simplify the fractions shown. So first we write 2x squared plus 11x plus 12 over x plus 3 and x plus 4. So ideally we'll try to complete the square for the numerator in such a form that can give us either x plus 3 or x plus 4, so we can potentially eliminate one of the terms while we are simplifying the expression. So in this scenario we will start by looking at 2x squared plus 11x plus 2 plus 12. So for us to do that, we can break down the 11x to different forms. So first we'll look at the numerator, so that'll give us 2x squared plus, so we have 3x plus 8x. So ideally that will be simpler for us to work with. And then we can also keep the 12 here, and then we will try to simplify this expression even further. So the denominator will remain as it is, so that will be x plus 3 brackets and x plus 4 between brackets. So now we will try to simplify the numerator even further. So now we can take simplify the x squared and the x and the 3x, so that we can take x as a common factor, and we would have the 2x plus 3. And also for the second part we can have the 4 as a common denominator, and we would have 2x plus 3. Now we can also further simplify, so that will give us x plus 4. So now since we have the common factor of 2x plus 3, so the expression will be simplified to x plus 4 and also 2x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 4. So now we can eliminate the x plus 4 from the numerator and the denominator, so that will give us 2x plus 3 in the numerator, and the denominator will have x plus 3, and this will be our answer for simplifying this expression. In this example we are asked to simplify the expression shown. So first we will attempt to write what we start with. So we have 4x to the power 4 plus 5x squared minus 7x all divided by x. So first we try to break down each term by dividing over x, or the denominator. So that would give us 4x to the power 4 over x plus 5x squared over x, and we have minus 7x over x. So to simplify this expression further, so we move the x from the denominator to the numerator. That will take away 1, so it will be 4x to the power 4 minus 1 plus 5x squared minus 1 minus 7x to the power of 1 minus 1, which will so that term will disappear. So now the final answer will be 4x cubed plus 5x minus 7, and that will be and the reason why, because x to the power 0 is equivalent to 1. So this will be our answer for this question. In this example we have the expression shown, and we will need to simplify it to its simplest form. So we have 7x to the power 5 minus 5x to the power 5 plus 9x cubed plus x squared divided by x. So now we break it down so that each term is divided by x, so that will give us 7x to the power 5 divided by x minus 5x to the power 5 divided by x plus 9x cubed over x plus x squared over x. So now to simplify this expression, so we move the x from the denominator up, so that will make it a negative. So that will give us 7x to the power 5 minus 1 minus 5x to the power 5 minus 1 plus 9x to the power 3 minus 1 plus x to the power 2 minus 1. To simplify this expression further, we'd have 7x to the power 4 minus 5x to the power 4 plus 9x to the power 2 plus x. And this will be our final answer for simplifying this expression. In this example, we are asked to simplify this expression into its simplest form. So first we will start with minus x to the power 4 plus 4x squared plus 6 all divided by x. So for us to do that, we will divide each term by the denominator, which is x, so that can be written in the form of minus x to the power 4 over x plus 4x squared over x plus 6 over x. So to simplify this expression, that will give us minus x to the power 4. When we move the denominator up, that becomes a negative term, so that would be minus 1 plus 4x squared minus 1 plus 6, and when we move the x up, that becomes x to the power of minus 1. So now we can either keep it as 6 over x, or we can move it as 6x to the minus 1. Now to simplify the expression further, that can be written as x to the power of 3 plus 4x to the power of 1 plus 6x to the power of minus 1, or we can write it as minus x to the power 3 plus 4x plus 6 over x. So both answers are correct. It's just a different way of writing them. In this example, we have the expression shown and we asked to simplify to its simplest form. So we have d being 7x to the power 5 minus x cubed minus 4 divided all by x. So first we break down the terms, so that will give us 7x to the power 5 over x minus x cubed over x minus 4 over x. So first we will try to move the denominator up, so that will eliminate 1 from the powers. So in this scenario, can be represented in the form of 7x to the power 5 minus 1 minus x to the power 3 minus 1, and then minus, you can keep that 4 over x, or it can be written as 4x to the power of minus 1, or we can keep it as it is at the moment. And then we simplify the rest of the expression to 7x to the power 4 minus x to the power 2 minus 4 over x, and this will be our answer. We have also another way, if we want to just rewrite this expression, we can also write it as 7x to the power 4 minus x squared, and also we have minus 4x to the minus 1. So both representation of the answer is correct.